What's going on, everybody? We're back with another moto vlog today. I've come to a new track, and I'm kind of a wuss when it comes to learning new tracks, trying new jumps. I've already done a few laps, hit the trails here. These jumps are pretty beefy, so I got to put my big boy pants on and just commit to sending some of these. Honestly, my main goal for today is just to learn how to corner and ruts better and conquer some of the jumps here. I'm not gonna like tell myself that I gotta hit all of them, but I definitely want to conquer some of them, so we'll see how it goes, you know? Come on, D-Rock. Oh, I got out of the rut, damn it! Jesus Christ. You know, a lot of times on these new tracks, it's going to take some time to figure out just how fast I got to hit these jumps. Like this one looks like it floats. This thing looks like a vert wall. Holy shit. Woo! There we go. That one, I gotta hit a little bit faster. Oh, it scares me, man. Oh, hell yeah, dude, let's go! Well, oh my god! That jump kicks you so weird. I don't even know what I just did. Ow! Hard duty. Fourth gear just absolutely pinned on that KX250F. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh, bro. Are you okay? Oh my god. Are you alright, buddy? I'm alright. You good? Cleared it, but I don't feel safe on that at all. Oh, just gotta try it, man. Just gotta try it. Can't be afraid of it. Just gotta go for it. Same with this one. I got this. I got this. Oh my god. Well, that felt awesome. Actually hitting that. Woo! Man, that guy on the Ys is ripping. I did those corners all right. Oh, hell yeah. For me, that was like rail in the corner, baby. Oh my God. Alright, I was able to conquer some of these jumps that I was afraid of. That feels really, really good. I sometimes get sketchy on this two-stroke. I get like a, whatever you want to call it, a Ronnie Mac boner air. But I actually hit some of those ruts half decent, which is good. That's one of my goals. You got me to hit some. Oh, nice. On that, that was awesome. Saucing it. Oh! Yeah! Hell yeah, Alan. Oh my God, Taylor went for it. Oh my God, he cased it a little bit.
Alright y'all, that concludes this motovlog. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.